Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to see some phrases or some sentences which are used during telephone conversation. So, the first situation in which we use some sentence pattern is making a call. So, when we make a call to a new person, to an unknown person, first we have to introduce ourselves. We have to tell our name, we have to tell our company name if it is formal. If it is informal, sometimes the receiver or the one who receives the phone call, he may know our name, or if he is a stranger, we have to introduce our name and our family details, which can be understood by the other person. So let us see the formal call, how to make a formal call and how to introduce oneself. So here it is given in the screen, you can see, hello, this is Raja from Ahad school. So first we are greeting the person with the word hello, and we are giving our name and our institution name. This is one pattern. Or we can use the second pattern. Hello, my name is Raja. I am calling from Ahad school. So this is another method or pattern when we make a call and when we introduce ourselves in the formal situation. Similarly, in the informal situation, we can use this phrase, hey Raghu, it's Raja. So we are introducing our name by our name itself. Our friend or our family relative, they will understand that who is speaking. So this is the normal format used in the informal context. Then in the next situation, suppose when we ask for someone whom we want to talk, whom we want to communicate some important message. So what will be the format for that? So asking for someone. So in this case, in the formal method, we can use this structure. So may I speak to Mr. Rahim. This is one method, one pattern. Or we can use, could I speak with, could I speak with Martin? Since it is formal, we can use, we have to use Mr. Martin. Mr. Martin, please. So this is another pattern. Or we can use another method starting with, I would like to speak. I would like to speak to Kumar, please. I would like to speak to Kumar, please. So, Mr. Kumar. So here you have three patterns. May I speak to? Could I speak with? I would like to speak to. So you have to use the preposition correctly, because in the second pattern, could I speak? After that, we use the preposition with. So here we should not use any other preposition. So that should be noted carefully. And another pattern also we have, that is, could you put me through? Could you put me through to? mm, Consumer support, please. This pattern is used when we want to connect to the concerned department. So they will make, the receptionist will help you to connect to a particular department, so that you can inform or you can communicate with the right person. So this is the fourth pattern. The first three pattern, we refer to person, we want to speak to a particular person. And the last pattern is that we want to contact a particular department to make our work done. So this is the pattern used when we want to uh, when we want someone, when we want the receptionist or any other person to get the help, so that we can contact the particular person or the particular department. Next, we shall see the informal way of asking someone. So here we have three pattern. Can I talk to Sanam? Is Nazu there? Is Nathan around? So these are the three different pattern, informal pattern, which we can use when we want to inquire about a particular person, or when we want that person to call the particular person whom we want to communicate the message, or whom we want to talk to. So one of the important thing in telephone conversation is that you have to communicate the purpose of the call, whether it is a formal or informal call. So in the formal call, you have to be very particular, and you have to communicate to the receiver. So what is the purpose of your call? So in the beginning of the conversation itself, you have to tell the purpose of the call. So here in the screen you can see there are three formats for communicating the purpose of your call. In the formal situation, could you give the quotation details of cement? I am calling to ask about so and so. Could you tell me the details, or could you tell me where he is, where the particular person is? So these are all some contexts or the pattern which are used in the formal situation to communicate the purpose of the call. Even in the informal situation also, we have to convey the purpose of our call, because telephone conversation is time. We are taking some other people's time, so we have to be very concise. We have to tell the object of the call, purpose of the call. So in the informal situation, there are two formats, two pattern given. The first pattern is, I just wanted to know when we shall meet this week. This is one pattern. I starting with I just wanted to know. And second one, I have called to ask if you are available today, if you are available for the meeting tomorrow. So like this we can complete according to the situation.